Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. This is biology session, reaching the age of adolescence, part 2. In the previous class, we have discussed about the basic facts involved in the reaching the age of adolescence. The introductory part completed. So let us recap. What is adolescence? Growing up is a natural process. The period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. So, what is the major change you find in the adolescence? We have discussed, that is increase in height. The most conspicuous change during puberty or adolescence is the sudden increase in height. What happens? How the height increase? At the time of puberty, the long bones, that is the bones of arms and legs, elongate and make a person tall, isn't it? And we also calculated the full height in centimeters by using a formula. What is that formula? The present height in centimeter by the percentage of full height at this age into 100. Okay. So, for example, we have calculated. So, one more example. A boy is 9 years of age and his height is 120 centimeters. 120 centimeters. At the end of the growth period, he is likely to be, so by using the formula present height in centimeter by 9 years of age boy, how much percentage height increase? According to the chart which we have studied, 75%. Okay, the full height at that age is 75 into 100. So, how much it will be? 160 centimeters. Okay, 160 centimeters means by using that formula we can calculate the height of any individual. Okay, the present height in centimeter divided by the percentage of full height at this age into 100 gives the how much tall the boy grow. Okay, initially, and we also studied that initially the girls grow faster, a graph we have studied. So, according to that graph, initially the girls grow faster than the boys, but about 18 years of age both boys and girls reach their maximum height. Okay, the rate of growth in height varies in different individuals. Some may grow suddenly at puberty and then slow down, while others may grow gradually, slowly. Okay, there is no need of worry. All parts of the body do not grow at the same rate. Sometimes the arms and legs or hands and feet of adolescent look oversized and out of proportion with the body, but soon the other parts catch up and result in a proportionate growth. Okay, you must have noticed that the height of individual is more or less similar to that of some family members. Generally we compare. This is because the height depends on the genes inherited from parents. It is, however, very important to eat the right kind of food during these growing years. This helps the bones, muscles, and other parts of the body get adequate nutrients, nourishment for the growth. You will find nutritional needs of adolescents. Okay, you can discuss with your teacher or the further lesson we are going to discuss. Okay, there are changes which will appear during adolescence: change in the body shape, change in the voice, okay, hormonal changes, the development of sexual organs. Okay, these are all the changes which we observe during the adolescence phase of the life. Okay, children, so we are doing the activity 2, changes in your body. So let us continue. So from 5 groups, okay, we have discussed that we have to form groups in the presence of your teacher. You are forming the groups. From 5 groups in your class, take at least 15 students in each class. In the school, from your class, 5 groups are formed. Take at least 15 students in each class, and your selection should be random, which means the students with odd roll number or same, or the name that start with a letter S, like that. Okay, odd roll number or the name that start with letter S. So collect body measurement data of the selected 15 students. For this you need to observe health record which is available in your school. If health record in the school is not available, you will take teacher's help to measure the components perfectly. Okay, you need to take the help of your teacher. So record them in your notebook as per the table which is given here. Find an average body measurements for the boys and girls in each class separately. Record them in your notebook as per the table given beside. For the component under voice, you put tick mark, right mark. Okay, in the relevant column you can put this mark. Okay, so here this is the table. The serial number, 15 members you have to take. Name of the student, what is the age, what is the height, what is the chest in centimeters, the shoulder, and the voice, whether it is soft or harsh. Okay, so you can compare the 15 students in your class. Okay, you can prepare this table. Next, for each class from 6th to 10th class in your school, you have to prepare one table. Okay, and then we have to calculate the averages of the collected information with the help of your teacher. Find the average for each component of your table. Okay, you have to find the average, means regarding the height, okay, all the columns which are given, okay, age, height, chest, shoulder, voice. So these 5 columns average you have to take. Find do you find any relationship? Okay, is there any sudden change or gradual change that you observe? Between which classes do you find a maximum growth in height? From 6th to 10th, which class you find the maximum height? The information collected by you will give a clue to some changes that you notice that in your body as you grow, especially during a particular period of life, that is adolescent period. Okay, so practically you will be noticing, okay, what are the changes? Change in the height, change in the width of the chest, okay, the width of the shoulders, change in the voice. So all these average you have to take and compare, so that you will be knowing what is the age, the maximum growth, what is the age at which the voice changes. So all this gives a clue about the adolescent. Okay, the information collected by you will give a clue. What clue? That it is the adolescent period where these changes are found. You might have noticed that the boys in your class have broader shoulders and wider chest than the boys of class 6 when you compare. In girls, the region below the waist starts becoming wider to prepare the body to deliver baby in future. The muscles of the body grow more prominent in boys than in the girls. Thus, the changes occurring in adolescent boys and girls are different. Okay, so you can compare class to class, 6th to 7th, what are the changes? 7th to 8th, what are the changes? 8th to 9th, the comparative table you have to prepare, so that you will be knowing more facts related to adolescent period. Adam's apple. So especially you will find the change in the voice at this adolescent phase. If you attend a phone call of a child, can you say whether the child is a boy or a girl? Yes. Why? Because the voice will be different. There is a variation, there is a difference in the voice of a girl and a boy. When you could identify the voice of a boy or a girl, why? You can identify the voice of a boy or a girl. Okay? Sometimes the voice of some of the boys in your class cracks. At puberty, the voice box or the larynx begins to grow. The boys develop larger voice boxes. The growing voice box in the boys can be seen as a protruding part of the throat. It is called Adam's apple. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside because of its small size. Generally, the girls have a high-pitched voice, whereas boys have a deep voice. In adolescent boys, sometimes the muscles of growing voice box go out of control and the voice becomes harsh. This state may remain for a few days or weeks, after which the voice becomes normal. Okay? So, why do break in the voice commonly occur in the boys during adolescent? Means because of the growth of muscles associated with the voice box. Generally, the change in the voice is seen during the adolescent. The voice of boys become harsh in this stage, adolescent stage. This is the voice box. We can call vocal cords. Okay, and this undergoes a lot of change during the adolescent period. Okay, So Adam's apple of an adult, look at the figure and observe some projections at the boy's throat. So this is the overgrowth of the voice box, which leads to the projections near the throat. You can observe. Try to see the same thing in any of your schoolmates. So this is known as Adam's apple. The Adam's apple is actually a partial growth of our voice box or larynx. The larynx is made up of 9 cartilages, one of which is the largest, called as thyroid cartilage. Okay, so here it appears the thyroid cartilage, okay, which is largest out of 9 cartilages with which the larynx is made up of. The Adam's apple is formed due to elongation of the thyroid cartilage, which protrudes out in front of the neck. So the voice box has undergone many changes during adolescent stage. So generally girls have the high pitched voice, whereas the boys have deep voice. But in adolescent boys, sometimes the muscles of the growing voice box go out of control. The voice become harsh. So this state may remain for few days or weeks, after which again it becomes the normal. Okay, Adam's apple. The increase in the size of the voice box in boys is seen as a prominent protrusion in the neck. This protrusion is called Adam's apple. This is caused mainly by some male hormones. Okay, some hormonal changes occur. Regulatory chemicals, they are called. Hormones are the chemical substances, they are called regulatory chemicals. During the adolescent period, they are released. The male hormone testosterone. Testosterone is the male hormone which is produced in the boys at the age of adolescence, so which brings the change in the voice. As a result of this, the muscle cords, vocal cords attached to the cartilage get loosened and thickened. Okay, they will get loosened and thickened. So when the air passes through these loosened and thickened cords, a harsh voice sound is produced. Okay, this is the larynx. Larynx is also called a voice box. This is the thyroid cartilage, which will undergo maximum change during adolescence, especially in boys. We can find this Adam's apple. The laryngeal prominence means Adam's apple, and cricoid cartilage is another cartilage. Tracheal cartilages are also present. Hyoid bone, it is the special bone associated with the voice box. Epiglottis. Epiglottis is the structure which regulates the entry of water, food and air into the pharynx. Okay, it's a common junction which is regulated by epiglottis. It acts like a traffic police. Okay, next the laryngeal prominence is usually more prominent in adult men than in adolescent boys. Laryngeal prominence. This is the reason for disturbance in your voice in the stage of adolescence. At the end of adolescence stage, you will get perfect voice. Okay, the voice will undergo the change, and by the end of adolescent stage, your voice get perfection. Moreover, the girls will usually have a high pitched voice, while the boys will have deeper voice or harsh voice. Okay, this is the Adam's apple. The thyroid gland nearby The larynx, voice box, the vocal cords will undergo the change during the adolescent age. Okay, children? Read the textbook, clarify the doubts. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.